So an artist is an artist. You cannot judge them, or you cannot say that he's doing TV, he's doing verticals, he's doing this. If you're talented, you have to show your talent. Medium कुछ भी हो सकता है. Oh, that is no problem at all, or there is उसकी कोई बात ही नहीं है. There is no limit to that. Rejections are always there. I still give auditions. There are a lot of they get surprised.
Yeah.
You're okay to give auditions. Yeah, why not?
You just mentioned at the press con that when you started doing this vertical format content, which is very new to us,
Yeah.
whenever you try to do something new as an artist, whoever it is, even the biggest of superstars like yourself, they question. They're like, आप ये क्यों कर रहे हैं? People start trolling you, people start passing judgments. I feel an artist is an artist, art is art. आप टीवी पे करो, आप इंस्टाग्राम पे करो, आप रोड पे करो, आप जिधर भी करो. You should be talented enough to do that.
Absolutely.
Even that TV actor tag, a lot of it's disheartening to see a lot of actors who became so big through television today are not proud of their roots. They're like, हमको movie नहीं मिला, ये नहीं मिला. I know you are very proud of your television roots and you don't mind being called a TV actor.
I don't, absolutely.
But when these judgments are passed because of the kind of work you do and you try something new, how do you feel as an artist?
See, that's what I don't take it to my heart. And as you said, it's the more you entertain them, the more you want to give an answer to them, the more they want to instigate you, or the more it gives fuel to the fire. So might as well you speak, let your work speak.
Correct.
As I said, that award was the answer to
Yes.
all of them. Okay, this is what it is. I have achieved this. So an artist is an artist. You cannot judge them, or you cannot say that he's doing TV, he's doing verticals, he's doing this. Why not? And now we are in an era, or where we are in a world where we have so many artists only on Instagram. They are also artists.
Exactly.
They are also artists.
Yeah.
They are making their living, or whatever you call it, money or hustle or whatever you call it. They're doing that on Instagram, YouTube. There's so many ways. So at least they're doing it.
Exactly.
You have to show your talent. If you're talented, you have to show your talent. Medium कुछ भी हो सकता है. Oh, that is no problem at all, or there is उसकी कोई बात ही नहीं है. There is no limit to that. You are talented. People should see. Who knows? People watching you on Instagram, and then they call it. He fits the bill. He's very good. He's not only doing only 1 or 2 minute things, but he is really talented. Why not have a meeting, or why not call him for this role? Let's see how it goes.
But today, even after spending 25 years and doing so much work in cinema overall, do you still get rejections? Do you still get replacements because of any tag that are attached with your name?
Not because of the tags. Replacements, so hardly there have been. I have replaced so many people. Rejections are always there, because the thing is that, it's not necessary that, you go and audition for a part. I still give auditions. There are a lot of they get surprised. You're okay to give auditions. Yeah, why not? I mean, audition is not that, I know you're not auditioning me because you want to see whether I can act or not act. You know I can act.
Yeah.
Because I've given so many years now, so now you know that I can act.
Of course.
The director has to see whether, he fits the character. He is convinced, then everything will be, everything will fall into place. But if he is not convinced, then, however good I may be, or however good I am doing my job, it won't land, because he's not convinced at all.